Just got back from my walk and did a little bit tango, practicing my tango because I noticed that's something I need to practice a lot more for the show, just to kind of get my adductors, which is my inner thigh, really good when I'm doing my collection of my legs. And I'm going to show you a little clip how I do it on the beach, because it really works my feet and it really works the legs too. And this morning, when I got up to go in the laundry room, I have also a washroom there, and there was a surprise waiting for me. Sonny, what are you doing with the toilet paper? Oh, what is this? Sonny. Yes, Sunny loves toilet paper. And it's funny because when I go to when I go and I go for number one or number two, she's always there waiting. And the moment I grab my toilet paper, she just jumps. Like, she doesn't let me wipe properly. She's been doing that since she was since we rescued her. It's what, 6 months ago now. She's been, it's 6.5 months that she's been with us. So yeah, but this is the first time she makes a mess like that. So I'm gonna have to hide those toilet paper, the toilet paper. So now I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. Good morning. That was my cup for Feminicity when I used to give them away when I was in Canada. Maybe I'll make some more. But it's my favorite cup. It's time to shimmy. But right now, I'm just gonna enjoy my coffee, and I'm gonna go 1 hour of the Mastery Jade Egg, so working with the yoni. Then I gonna go and do at least 2-3 hours of working with my fans and tango. That's gonna be drills today, and then I gotta teach my class tonight. So, but I'll see you later.